Oh shoot, there's been a train accident. More companies are coming in. There's either been a welding accident. Parker Fire Department and Greenville County EMS are both now on the scene of what appears to be a person involved with a train. We have Engine 3 from Parker, Rescue 1 from Parker, and a truck company. I can't see the number. Multiple medics are en route. Seems to rescue as well as the thing, but whatever happened, apparently the train has stopped, but it's been stopped for some time. In fact, I recorded it going by. So it might be at the welding shop, but they have a rescue. There's also a sheriff's deputy that just passed. Oh, looks like another truck is now pulled up. And that is Engine 6 from... They're actually going by Parker Fire District. And they have an FDNY shirt on. Apparently, yeah, Engine 8. Apparently it is a train accident. Because they might be trying to go to a crossing or something. Oh, looks like they're right. They're right here. What happened? Apparently it might be... They're going to a command post, I think. They're trying to...